everybody and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today's recipe is a very delicious snack which is Paneer Pakodas, and today I'm also going to show you how to make your paneer at home, how to make the batter and everything. So let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe, guys. So friends, let's start with today's Paneer Pakoda recipe. It's super simple and really easy. So first I'm going to show you how I make my paneer. So here I have about 1 liter of milk. Now you can add vinegar, but I've added about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Otherwise you can add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And just keep stirring this on a low to medium heat. First you need to bring your milk to a boil and then add the vinegar or the lime juice. And then you will see that it breaks like this. So now you can put off the gas and just stir it for a while. Then just put a muslin cloth like this or a large gent's kerchief onto a colander which has a vessel below it. And we are just going to pour this into the muslin cloth. And then just dab it down like this. And put a heavy weight, tie it up and put a heavy weight, and we're going to set this aside for at least 2 to 3 hours and then even refrigerate it. Now don't throw away the liquid, that is whey, and you can use it for making your chapatis, puris, etc. So now I've kept my paneer aside for at least 5 hours and I put it in the refrigerator to set. And after that, when I open it up, you can see that my paneer is all nice and formed. And keeping it in the refrigerator also firms it up a bit and it becomes easier to even cut it up. So you can see I have my lovely cottage cheese, homemade cottage cheese or paneer, which you can use for so many dishes. Now I'm just going to cut them up into strips like this, and to make it into smaller pieces I'm going to cut it up into halves. Now I have a lot of paneer dishes on my channel, so just go to my channel's main page and then go to playlist and then go to paneer recipes, and you'll find many recipes which you can make. So in this way our paneer is ready. Isn't it super simple, guys? So now I'm going to prepare the batter. So I've taken a large mixing bowl to which I've added about 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and I'm going to also add about a teaspoon of baking soda. Now this makes the batter very nice and fluffy and crispy, and so your paneer pakodas also become nice and crispy. Now mix everything together, add a little bit of water, and we want a thick batter. It should not be runny, it should not be too thick, but just the right consistency, and whisk it so that you don't have any lumps. Now I've kept my oil for heating, so I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of that hot oil. That's called mohan, and that makes the paneer pakodas even more crispy. Now I'm just going to put the paneer into this and coat it well. I've kept my oil for heating on a low to medium, and I'm just going to put them into the oil and fry them till they're nice and golden brown and crispy. So I've got many dishes of paneer like Palak Paneer, there's Palak Paneer Paratha recipe, there's a recipe for Paneer Chilli fry, Manchurian Paneer, Paneer Tikka masala. So there is a big range of paneer dishes. I will leave a link to the playlist of my paneer dishes in the description box below. So just click it and it will take you to all my paneer dishes. So that's it, friends, and all I've done is drained it on some kitchen napkins to drain off the excess oil, and then when serving I've just sprinkled a little bit of chili powder and chaat masala and served it with some ketchup. So bake this and enjoy it. hope you like today's easy snack recipe of Paneer Pakodas. So if you like this video, then don't forget to click the thumbs up icon that you see just below this video. And once you have clicked that, also subscribe to my channel, which is a red button just at the side which says subscribe. It's completely free. And once you do subscribe, there's a small bell that will pop up. Click that bell. That way whenever I put up a video, you get a message for the same, and you know that Akshata has put up a new recipe or a new vlog or a new video. Also, if you're looking for any of my recipes, just type the recipe and type Akshata's recipes in the search box of YouTube and you'll get my recipes. Also, at the end of the video, 2 boxes will come up. Those are my recipes. You can click on them if you want to watch them. In the middle of the video, you'll see something coming up in white saying suggested. You can watch that. That's my video too. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. All my links are down in the description box below. Plus, the entire recipe with the exact measurements are in the description box below. So saying that, thank you so much for being here today. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you very soon in my next recipe. Take care guys. Bye.